It's such a lovely evening. I wish we could all go out for a family dinner.
Me too, Mum, but I have so much homework to do. I have to finish my maths and history assignments.
It's always the same. You're stuck with homework every night. It's not fair.
Yeah, I barely have time to relax or hang out with my friends anymore.
I know, dear. It's just too much. We hardly get any family time.
Another evening, another pile of homework to grade.
I was hoping we could have a quiet night together. You're always busy with work.
I know, it's overwhelming. My students have too much homework and so do I. It's not good for any of us.
It's really tough on our evenings. We need time to relax and enjoy our outside life from school and work.
Maybe we should talk about the possibility of reducing or even banning homework. It can make a big difference in our lives.
That would be wonderful. More family time, less stress for everyone.
It's definitely something we need to talk about for better balance.
Bore da pawb. Today we want to talk to you about why we should think about banning homework. This might sound surprising, but getting rid of homework can be very helpful for both students and teachers. We will focus on how it can improve their well-being and make school a better place for everyone. We are the mental health and wellbeing champions from the Alun School, and we have been working with our peers and local primary schools to help them improve their mental health and wellbeing.
First, let's talk about stress and mental health. Homework can cause a lot of stress in students. In Wales, a survey was showing a decline in mental health among students, with many recording pressure in schoolwork. Over 123,000 students from 202 schools participated, revealing that the pressure significantly impacts their mental health. Additionally, a survey by the Children's Commissioner for England found that 66% of children were most stressed about homework and exams, surpassing the concern about bullying and social acceptance. If we stop giving homework, students can feel less stressed and healthier.
Quality family time. Homework also takes away from family time. According to research, secondary school students in the UK spend on average 2.5 hours on homework each night. This is time they could spend with their families, doing activities they enjoy or just relaxing. Without homework, students could have more quality time with their families and do the things they love.
Teachers' well-being. Now, let's think about teachers. Homework means a lot of extra work for them. They have to create assignments, grade them, and give feedback, which takes a lot of time. This can make their job very stressful. According to a survey by the National Education Union, 81% of British teachers describe themselves as stressed at work, with workload being a major factor. If we ban homework, teachers will have less stress and more time to focus on teaching and taking care of themselves.
Academic performance. Research also shows that homework doesn't really help students do better in school. A study by the Education Endowment Foundation found that the impact of homework on learning is low, especially for younger students. Instead, good teaching and fun classroom activities help students learn more. By focusing on these, we can help students succeed without the stress of homework.
Getting rid of homework can also help students love learning. Without homework, students have more time to explore their interests, read for fun, and learn new things on their own. This can make them more curious and excited about learning throughout their lives. Schools should inspire students, not overwhelm them with assignments.
In conclusion, banning homework has many benefits to both students and teachers. It reduces stress, allows for more family time, and lessens the workload. And can improve learning through better teaching methods. Most importantly, it helps students develop a love for learning that lasts a lifetime. Let's think about creating a school system that truly cares for well-being and growth of everyone. Please return to your school and ask your students, teachers and parents and governors their view on this important topic. Thank you for listening.